So the Reggae Boyz squad selected for the upcoming qualifiers against Curacao on Friday away and at home to Bermuda next Tuesday. Senior players Andre Blake, Ethan Pinnock, Bobby Reed, Demaria Gray all return. Leon Bailey and Mikel Antonio are out. 2 debutants from the MLS are in. You know it no matter seriously though. As long as we have our core, we should be approaching these games with positivity and confidence. We're not going to the Azteca in Mexico City, or San Jose, Costa Rica, or San Pedro Sula, or Tegucigalpa in Honduras. We're going to a little town called Willemstad with a population of 125,000. It's the capital town of Curacao with an overall population of 155,000. And we're not dissing small countries or talking down about smaller territories. But some Jamaican fans, I get bummy. Like them prayed at this little Curacao team. But the Mavericks still are there. See there? We're not talking. Just see there. Look at them. See there. And not the Mavericks. See there.